Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's She's Your Faith, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with the lovely West Kiss Hair. They went ahead and sent me their 180 density highlight body wave wig. It is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, so of course it goes from ear to ear, and these waves are everything. I love the fullness of the 180 density, like it's really giving 200. And I did make sure that this unit was glueless by just attaching the bands in the back, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to do too much with this wig. I talked some more about it in the end of the video if you'd like to watch and see my little mini review. But this unit, like I said, is glueless, and if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So if you would like to see how I installed my wig, did baby hairs and curls, just keep on watching, and let's jump into today's tutorial.
Yeah. Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, neither. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to God.
Okay loves, so this is the wig unit from West Kiss Hair. They went ahead and sent me this 180 density 13x4 lace frontal wig. It's a highlight unit and it's in body wave, of course. I am living for the highlights, the curls, everything. Like, it's just giving. And then I added some layers to hair so that this front frame would pop some more. And of course, you know, we have the inches. It is 180 density and this wig is like thick. It's giving 200 and I love that. So you are definitely getting a bang for your buck with this unit. Before I got started with this wig, I only had to pluck it for like 2 minutes. I kid you not. Usually plucking takes me anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes depending on how thick these knots are, whatever the lace is like. And this lace, chef's kiss, it blends with my skin tone very well. And if you are just looking for a dark skin friendly lace, a lace that you barely have to pluck and something that you can just put on and go, this is definitely the unit for you. So if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.